Hi everyone, Dr. Sass here, and the famous Manfred, the chef Manfred Schmitz, who basically developed so many products together and have become great friends. We have some exciting things to talk to you about. First of all is Allulose, which is an unbelievable sugar. It's a natural sugar, but it doesn't have any calories, nor does it get absorbed, and therefore the FDA allows you to call it 000. No absorption, no sugar, no carbohydrates. An amazing product. Manfred is a genius, and he took that sugar and made an amazing artisan flour with it, and some amazing recipes, including LeptiCore. So when you eat this bread made out of this flour, it has a lot less calories and you don't absorb as many. And also he made an amazing caramel with it, which is incredible. Has 9 grams of fiber, half the sugar, tastes like caramel. Manfred, what do you have to say about this thing?
Well, like making these products right now, it's just great to be able to offer the low-cal, with the Allulose. Like this caramel right here, when you put this into the microwave or you dip your cookies into it, it's just a really good product. And why not use caramel that is actually half the calories, since we know it's already so high. This Allulose, which I liked a lot about it, was how we actually did the blood test one time,
right,
and how this one particularly did not raise any blood sugar level, and I was like, wow, this is it.
Incredible.
Why not?
Right.
This is the product. And like I said, with this LeptiCore in here, so many people are making so many different things, not just the bread, but they are doing so many different things. I'm very proud of it. And people coming up with like pizzas, or they're making cinnamon buns. It's a nice universal kind of bread flour that we put together, and it's just between you and us, that's a good part.
A doctor and a chef making food healthier.
That's the key.